How to log into Waze with Google, Facebook, or Apple ID. First, open the Waze app. On the home screen, you will see Get Started or Login. Tap on Login. Choose the login method. You will see two options with Google and with email. Tap Login with Google and select your Gmail. Google will select this if you want to log in with your Google account. When you choose the login method, Waze will ask permission to access your account information. Tap Allow or Continue. If everything is correct, Waze will log you in automatically. You will see your profile icon and all your saved route, favorites, and points if you have used Wave before. Once logged in, type in your destination and hit go. You are ready to enjoy real life traffic updates, shortcuts, and alerts. That's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. And see you in the next video, and thank you for watching.